Hello everyone, today we're back in our light tunnel and we're going to talk about PPF. So everyone already knows that PPF is an amazing protective product for a vehicle. With so many brands out there, it's often hard to choose the right one. However, PPF is not a perfect product, in particular of something called yellowing. So today, my colleague Victoria joined me and we're gonna talk about PPF yellowing. Hi Victoria, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Great, so I believe that every owner of a white car knows PPF yellowing. However, Victoria, can you tell us why yellowing happens?
Yes, yellowing happens because of the weather elements such as rain, dust, snow, and pollution. So
Got it.
PPF needs to be changed every 3 to 5 years.
Right, I got it. So what happened to this white Maserati then?
So we applied PPF 4 years ago and no maintenance was done to it. So it started to get yellow, so it needs to be changed.
You just mentioned maintenance, right? So does that mean that it is possible to prevent yellowing through maintenance?
Well, PPF is made of TPU, which is basically plastic.
That's right. Yeah.
And you cannot polish it because it will ruin it. So the only thing you can do is wash it, but regular washing won't prevent it to get yellow.
Yeah, it won't prevent yellowing. Victoria is right, simple washing won't be able to prevent yellowing on PPF. Now, I know that it is hard to believe, but actually Cubond has a product which is called Diamond Plus and is able to restore the original transparency of the PPF.
To prove to you that what we say is true, we're going to perform a demonstration.
Exactly, so the demonstration is very simple. All we need is transparent tape, a clean microfiber towel, and of course our Diamond Plus. So, ready to see what happens?
Regardless of this, we still need to change the PPF from time to time.
Yes, that's right. However, if you're still wondering which brand to choose, now you know that Cubond is the only one which guarantees complete restoration of your PPF. This not only guarantees that your car and PPF look like brand new all the time, but it also significantly expands the lifetime of your PPF. Keep this thing in mind next time you're about to apply a new PPF to your car.